In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw the table that you see here and the chairs, the 6 chairs that surround it, and we're going to draw the footprint of them in one-point perspective using our grid to help. So you can see here, we'll go ahead and start with the table. The table, this front corner here is 4 feet in from the left corner of the true height wall, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet down. So we'll go ahead and come in 1, 2, 3, 4, and we know it's going to be along this line right here. So 6 feet down, we can count across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where those points intersect, it's right here. Okay, let me verify. 3, 6, all the way across. Perfect. So our first point's going to be right there. I just drew that point. So now this table is 5 feet wide, nice and big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see it's set in just 1 foot, 1 box in from the line that's at the edge of the buffet. And you can see there it is right there. There's the extra foot of buffet. Okay, so there's our point there. And now let's go ahead and draw the back points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A point there. And then since this line on the end of the dining room table is straight, we can carry it right over and align it with that back corner right there. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these in now. Okay, let's go ahead and draw the chairs now. Okay, so once again, we've got to use our grid here. Now keep in mind that we'll start by drawing these 2 chairs here. Now keep in mind, they're centered, so they're not sitting there exactly perfectly along a grid line. They're actually split in the middle. And so you can see here, this is the middle box right here, down here. And we actually have to split it in half. So we're going to go to the true height wall back here. And this chair actually takes up those spaces. So you can see here, I've counted it out. The start of this chair is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5. So true height wall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, 5.5 here. So I'm going to draw really light lines from my vanishing point, and I'm going to come through all the way across, because the lines that I'm creating right now, I can actually use for this line of the chair and this line of this chair. So I saved myself just a little bit of work. And you can see here, because of the location of the vanishing point, you can see here that the halfway point isn't exactly the same between both squares. So let's go ahead now and let us enclose these chairs. Now this part's easy. They are 2 feet wide. So we're going to put a point here and here. See? 1, 2, and back here. 1, 2. So I just drew those points right there. Now I'm going to connect. And once again, use my vanishing point as a guide. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just draw the front as well. Now, if you're using your markers and the tips are getting a little bit of graphite on them, all you have to do to get the graphite off is scribble to the side right there. And that'll kind of clear off the tips. Okay, the last thing we're going to do now is draw these side chairs here. So I'm going to count out from this back wall 2 feet and in against this corner here of the table. So 1, 2, okay? Now we know that the backs of these 2 chairs are going to run along that line right there. And again, I'm saving myself some work because I've got multiples. Same thing here. 1, 2 out from this table. So that's going to be 1, 2 to the vanishing point back there. Perfect. Okay. Now, we can either use the grid or we can use the table as a guide. But you can see here the edges of these chairs start at the 1 foot in from the table. So they're going to start right here. See? 1 foot in from the edge of the table, right here and here. And they're 2 feet wide, so I'm counting. Oh, look at me. I drew it on the table. Easy fix. Good thing I'm doing it in pencil first, huh? Okay. So I've just drawn these 2 chairs here. And the footprint, now there's 2 spaces, 2 boxes in between. So 1, 2, and then I start again. Okay, and there's the footprint of my chairs. So I'll go ahead now and ink them in. And inking them in a different color is going to help us later because we'll start to see as we overlay things when we draw them in perspective, it can get a little bit confusing. And so having a color, different colors to indicate the different boxes and footprints of objects, I have found to be very helpful. Okay, and we're just going to ink in the edges. Again, using the vanishing point. And there's the footprint of the tables and chairs, table and chairs.